Are you tired of your joints holding you back? Do you long for relief from aches and stiffness? The answer to your discomfort may lie in the heart of a simple spice turmeric. This vibrant yellow powder, a staple in Indian cuisine, holds incredible power to transform your joint health naturally. For centuries, turmeric has been revered for its healing properties. Modern science is now catching up, confirming its remarkable ability to ease joint pain and improve mobility. Turmeric has a rich history dating back thousands of years. Ancient cultures recognized its potency, using it not only as a spice but also as a powerful medicine. In traditional Indian Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric was a prized remedy for joint pain and inflammation. Today, scientific research supports these ancient traditions. Studies have identified curcumin, a compound in turmeric, as the key to its incredible health benefits. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a natural process, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to pain and damage in the body, especially in the joints. Turmeric's ability to combat inflammation makes it a valuable ally in the fight against joint pain. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, works its magic by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body. This natural compound has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. It targets specific molecules that trigger inflammation, effectively reducing pain and swelling in the joints. By doing so, it helps to alleviate discomfort and improve overall joint health. This powerful anti-inflammatory action makes turmeric particularly beneficial for conditions like osteoarthritis. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be as simple as adding it to your meals or taking it as a supplement. Osteoarthritis, a common form of arthritis, is characterized by the breakdown of cartilage in joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. This condition can significantly impact the quality of life, especially in older adults. Numerous studies have demonstrated turmeric's effectiveness in alleviating osteoarthritis symptoms. Researchers continue to explore its potential benefits and how it can be used alongside conventional treatments. In one study, turmeric extract was found to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing pain in patients with knee osteoarthritis. This finding suggests that turmeric could be a natural alternative to traditional pain relievers. Another study showed that curcumin significantly improved joint function and reduced stiffness in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis, another common inflammatory joint condition. These results highlight the potential of turmeric in managing various joint-related issues. Adding turmeric to your daily routine is easier than you might think. This vibrant yellow spice is not only a staple in many cuisines, but also packed with numerous health benefits. Here are a few simple ways to enjoy its benefits. Spice up your meals. Turmeric's warm, earthy flavor complements a wide range of dishes. It can be a delightful addition to your favorite recipes. Add a teaspoon to soups, stews, curries, or stir-fries for a flavor and health boost. Additionally, you can add it to salad dressings or sprinkle it over roasted vegetables. A golden milk latte. This comforting beverage combines turmeric with warm milk and a touch of honey for a soothing bedtime drink, known to promote relaxation and reduce inflammation. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon or ginger for extra flavor and benefits. Turmeric supplements. For a more concentrated dose of curcumin, consider taking a daily turmeric supplement. These are especially useful if you find it challenging to incorporate turmeric into your meals regularly. Choose a high-quality supplement that contains black pepper extract, piperine, which enhances curcumin's absorption. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine to experience its full benefits for joint health, digestion, and overall well-being. With these easy methods, you can make turmeric a regular part of your life. Turmeric is generally safe for consumption when used in moderation as a spice in cooking. However, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. The recommended dosage of turmeric varies depending on the form and concentration. For turmeric supplements, a typical dose ranges from 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin per day. While turmeric is generally well tolerated, high doses or long-term use may cause mild side effects such as stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Don't let joint pain dictate your life. Embrace the power of turmeric, a natural and effective way to find relief and reclaim your mobility. Whether you choose to enjoy it in your meals, sip on a soothing golden milk latte, or take a daily supplement, including turmeric in your daily routine is an easy yet significant step toward a more comfortable and healthy version of yourself. Listen to your body. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake as needed. Embrace the journey to joint comfort and discover the transformative power of nature's golden healer. In a world dominated by pharmaceuticals, it's empowering to know that nature holds powerful solutions for our health. Turmeric, with its rich history and scientifically backed benefits, is a testament to the incredible healing power of nature. By embracing natural remedies like turmeric, we can take control of our health and well-being, paving the way for a brighter, more comfortable future. Start your journey to joint comfort today and experience the transformative power of turmeric.